What's up guys, Sal here. So the Russian blogger Elder Murtazin has spent some time with the Galaxy Note 9 recently, in which he got to evaluate the hardware and check out some of the software feature of Samsung's new flagship. The Russian blogger has a long history of getting his hands on Samsung phones long before they're released, which makes him a highly reliable source when it comes to upcoming Samsung devices. So let's take a look at the specs and features the Note 9 is gonna come with. The base model will get a bump in storage to 128GB. It's about time this happened. It might not be the sexiest spec in the world, but it's the one that makes life much easier when it's maxed out. Also, the device will ship with the expected 6GB of RAM inside. Samsung is also expected to sell 8GB RAM version as well, but of course you need to pay more for that. And by the way, all models will have microSD card support as well. The cameras are going to deliver similar experiences to the Galaxy S9 Plus, complete with a lens with variable aperture, improved low-light photography, and better optical image stabilization. The two lenses are placed horizontally, however, with the fingerprint sensor being positioned below them, just as rumors suggested. The AR emoji feature is also supposedly getting an upgrade, but I'm not getting my hopes up considering it's not very good right now. So the 3D sensors that the Galaxy S10 is supposed to be getting will surely take the AR emoji experience to a whole new level. The tipster also notes that the Note 9 feels quite a bit heavier in comparison to its predecessor, a detail that coincides with previous reports of a much larger 4000 mAh battery. This will bring significant improvements to the battery life, allowing the smartphones to last up to 2 days on a single charge and reproduce non-stop video at maximum brightness for up to 25 hours. The Super AMOLED screen should be even brighter than before, and Murtazin says that Samsung is working on an updated version of the always-on display, but it probably won't be ready until next year, so we may see it on the Galaxy S10 first. He mentions that the UI animations have been improved and that they look good. Finally, the Note 9 is getting a brand new S Pen stylus that will support Bluetooth connectivity, and it will also offer a new way to unlock the phone. With that being said, everything Murtazin had to say about the Note 9 sounds very familiar because the Note 9 specs and features have been widely covered in leaks this year, leaving virtually no surprises for the Samsung press conference in August. Though he didn't mention any of the phone's new software tricks, which means Samsung can still surprise us with software features. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on this in the comments below, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.